do an update today here. It is the 17th August of 2020 and we are at Solace. An update, I got the 4th archway in. I finally got all the stone bordering done. So today I think I am going to just trim the outlines of the rocks, the grass, and then I think I'm going to build the wall up. So I'm just going to start with the cairns. I'm not sure, probably do this side here. Start building that wall up, but I mean, if you take a look at the amount of rocks here, which is the vast majority of my rocks because I don't have very many left, just think of this, and to build it up I'm going to need about 3 times that amount of rocks. So, and that's just that small section. So it'll be interesting. I mean, this project obviously won't be done this year and probably not next year, and hopefully it's around the year after and it doesn't get sold or anything like that, or the house doesn't get torn down from people wanting to do a infill or whatever. But yeah, let's get this day started.
And I said finally, oh, you and me, oh, we can finally be.
So I finished the trimming around the borders and the grass. I still have to mow the grass, but that'll probably be next week sometime. So I'm just going to gather these rocks by the fence that I've had sitting there for about 2 months because I'm going to start building a cairn.
And I said finally, oh, you and me, oh, we can finally be. And I said finally, yeah. We can finally be, oh, then now joyfully, angels sing God gives mercy, at the side of you and me, never be apart now,
I got the cairn done. As you can see, I stopped filming because it was starting to rain and get really windy. It's kind of windy now-ish, so I had to put the laptop away. And I don't know, I find it extremely distracting and disruptive to have a camera on me all the time, which is why I really don't like filming while I'm working. I'll do it sporadically for videos and stuff like that, but I prefer not to have a camera on me. It just places a lot of pressure and anxiety on me when I do have a camera on me. So that's done. I'm going to have to build 4 more over there. I'm sure you can figure out where I'm going to be putting them. And that's just that little circular part. So I'm starting to run out of rocks. Those are the rocks there and over there. But I don't have enough rocks. I mean, I do have enough rocks to do the next one. But I just don't have the proper stacking rocks to be able to go on to the next one. Like, I have a bunch of smaller rocks, uneven rocks, some small stacking rocks, but I need larger rocks, flat with stacking rocks, etc., etc. So I decided today I'm going to build a fire. So I already built the fire. It took about half an hour to do it. I put all the rocks away, and that's that. Let's build the fire.
Some kind of light into your darkness. Colors your eyes with what's not there. Fade into you. Strange you never knew. Fade stranger's light comes on slowly. A stranger's heart without a home. You put your hands into your head and then smile, cover your heart. I think it's strange you never